Want to send files using Bluetooth on your Samsung phone? It's important to know how to do this so you can quickly share photos, videos, or documents without any hassle. In this video, I'll walk you through the whole process of sharing files via Bluetooth. Let's get started. Before moving on, open Setting, tap Connection, scroll down, tap More Connection Setting, enable Nearby Device Scanning. After that, make sure to turn on the Bluetooth from both devices, and you should in range open or select the file you want to send. Suppose I'm going to open the Gallery app to send a picture file. Choose the picture you want to send, then tap the share icon from the bottom. Tap the Bluetooth icon, tap on the desired device you want to send files. Accept pairing from the desired device. That's the easiest way to send files with Bluetooth on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.